Hey guys, welcome to MathCube. Today we are going through 6th question of the International Advanced Level, Pure Mathematics 1, and our A part is sketch the curve with equation y equal to minus k upon x where k is greater than 0 and x is not equal to 0. That's of 2 marks. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll just go down the free section and just draw the diagram. There you go, I've sketched the graph, just mention y-axis here and x-axis here. And before attempting the question, I want to teach you guys something about the asymptote question, these questions related. So whenever they say y equal to k of x, let's take a positive one. So a positive one will start from a positive quadrant, so that will go like this. That's just a rough one, so mind me. And it will go on the opposite side of it. That will be the positive one. And they say a negative, so you get the picture, right? So our negative function will go from here to there. Remember, the asymptote doesn't touch here, and the negative of it, so that will go something around here. There you go guys, our first part done. Very easy part. Moving on to the B one. On a separate diagram, sketch the curve with equation y equal to minus k upon x, as the same function there, plus k, stating the coordinates of the point of intersection with the x-axis, and in terms of k, the equation of the horizontal asymptote. So there's going to be addition of horizontal asymptote, and I'll show you where. Now remember guys, always a horizontal asymptote realigns with the y-axis, not the x-axis. For x-axis, that's a vertical line there, so I'll draw a horizontal line with y equal to k when x is 0. There you go guys, that's the line. That's y equal to it's k, sorry for the writing here. And you already know that y equal to minus k upon x was this function. Remember, it won't touch the asymptote, so this line will go for infinity, and same goes for the opposite side. That will go above the x-axis and not touching the horizontal asymptote. And there you go, that's our B part done. Moving on to the C1. Find the range of possible values of k for which the curve with equation y equal to minus k upon x plus k does not touch or intersect the line with equation y equal to 3x plus 4. So to solve these kind of questions, what you will do is basically set them equal to each other, because those y's won't touch or intersect. We have to show that. There you go. Now to go on to the further step, what I'll do is I'll remove the fraction. You can see minus k upon x and multiply everything with x here, so that will give me, there you go, 3x square plus 4x equal to minus k plus kx. Now moving these, or just taking these to the other side of the equation, we can set them as a quadratic function. There you go, let's become a quadratic function here. 3x square plus 4x minus kx plus k. We can use discriminant rule, b square minus 4ac, to find k. Now remember, before using b square minus 4ac or discriminant, they say that does not touch or intersect the line with equation, so our discriminant will be less than 0. If it would be touching it, that will be equal to 0, or if it will touch at one point, that will be equal to 0, so that will be less than 0. There you go. Now we need to know what b is, a and c is. Our a is the very first function of the quadratic one, that's 3x square, or you can say 3 because we are just excluding the x-axis. C is our k, and our b is 4 minus k. Just remove the x-axis. Now we're not dealing with x-axis, we're only dealing with k in terms of k, so that will be 4 minus k. Oops, I forgot to square it. That's the square of it. And minus 4 into 3 into k less than 0. Just simplify it, and when we simplify or expand the brackets, we'll get 16 minus 8k plus k square minus 12k less than 0. just simplify all the k's here. Minus 8k and minus 12k are the both same terms, so minus 8 minus 12 gives us minus 20. Writing it again, there you go, that's a simplified version. 16 minus 20k plus k square is less than 0. And use your calculator to solve this quadratic function, and you can see that we'll get k as, before finding the values, we have to find the range of possible values. Just forgot to see that range of possible values for k, so k will be the middle, and the range of the possible values will be, there you go, 10 minus 2 root of 21 is less than k is less than 10 plus 2 root 21. So these are the range of values with the curve that does not touch or intersect with the line y equal to 3x plus 4. And that's our final answer. That's 5 marks done, 3 and 2 marks up, so that's 10 marks. A 10 mark question done very easily. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the method, do subscribe and stay tuned for more videos from this series.